Welcome to a smarter, faster way to request new services and upgrades. Meet our development contractors managing their new project installations for utility services. With a busy schedule and multiple teams to coordinate, they need an efficient solution. They visit the new Service Installation and Upgrades portal. Its intuitive design means they can easily start the request process with just a few clicks. The built-in wizard guides them step by step. First, they select multiple services. Then, they enter vital project details and timelines, ensuring that every collaborator is on the same page. After submitting their request, they receive immediate confirmation. The dashboard tracks every milestone, providing real-time updates to all collaborators. This transparency ensures everyone is aligned and the project stays on track. This streamlined process means faster response times, less paperwork, and fewer errors. By simplifying multi-service requests, we empower every contractor to focus more on building and less on administrative burdens. Experience the simplicity and power of our new Service Installation and Upgrades portal. Get started today and stay ahead of every milestone, keeping you, your collaborators, and your projects fully aligned. Transform the way you manage your projects with our innovative service request solution.